3號強風信號喺下晝1點10分發出，預料本港平均風速每小時41到62公里。強烈熱帶風暴塔巴已經減弱為熱帶風暴。下晝2點，塔巴集結喺香港以西約230公里，即係北緯22.7度、東經112度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約18公里，橫過廣東內陸。塔巴繼續移入廣東內陸並遠離本港。預料本港風力會逐漸緩和，但初時仍然普遍吹強風。本港西部離岸同高地嘅風力間中達到烈風程度。3號強風信號將會今日日間大部分時間維持。當塔巴對本港嘅威脅進一步減弱時，天文台會改發1號戒備信號，或取消所有熱帶氣旋警告信號。塔巴嘅雨帶今日會繼續為珠江口帶嚟狂風驟雨同雷暴，雨勢有時頗大，海有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、青洲同長洲分別錄得最高持續風速每小時84、71同64公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時111、87同82公里。
A strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 10 past 1 in the afternoon. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. Severe tropical storm Tapa has weakened into a tropical storm. At 2 p.m., Tapa was estimated to be about 230 kilometers west of Hong Kong, which is near 22.7 degrees north, 112 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour across inland Guangdong. Tapa continues to move into inland Guangdong and depart from Hong Kong. Local winds are expected to moderate gradually, but winds will still be generally strong at first. Winds will occasionally reach gale force over the western part of Hong Kong, offshore and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force for most of the daytime today. When the threat posed to Hong Kong by Tapa is further reduced, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, or cancel all tropical cyclone warning signals. The rain bands of Tapa will continue to bring squally showers and thunderstorms to the Pearl River estuary today. Showers will be heavy at times. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Green Island, and Cheng Chau were 84, 71, and 64 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 111, 87, and 82 km per hour respectively.